Lutheran Church to talk about the threat of unstable soil. Experts say the ground is subject to what's called liquefaction in a major earthquake. The area has more than 600 storage tanks that can hold 350 million gallons of gas and other liquid fuels, which represents 90% of Oregon's fuel storage. Most of the tanks were built prior to knowing the earthquake danger, so experts say they would likely fail at a big quake.
Despite this substantial evidence and years of advocacy by the public, we are no safer now than we were 30 years ago.
Our understanding of the earthquake and the oil risk is now on our watch, and we cannot kick this can down the road.
Oregon lawmakers passed a law in 2022 requiring the owners of the facilities to assess the risk of their tanks and then come up with mitigation plans with a 9.0 earthquake in mind, a Cascadia subduction zone. That's in the works. These community activists say that's not enough, though, and governments need to come up with a new plan for fuel storage.